Hey everyone, and welcome to morning practice. So I want to begin pretty much straight away. Let's come to the front of our mats. We have 10 minutes together and we want to connect to the breath very easily here. Just maybe connecting both hands to the body, one to the belly, one to the chest. And then let's inhale together into the chest. Chest lifts, Ujjayi breath. And exhale, pushing into the belly, helping the breath come out. Again, inhale chest, using Ujjayi breath, so breathing through the throat. And exhale into the belly. Good, one more time, inhale chest. And exhale belly. And then we can take the arms to that. Inhale, arms to the side, open. Exhale back to center. Once again, inhale, arms open. Exhale back. Using the shoulders, inhale. And exhale. One last time, chin tucked in, inhale, open. And exhale back to center. From here now, inhale, straight arms up. And over the sides, exhale. Straight arms up. And exhale. Breathe with intention. Inhale up through the throat. Exhale down. And once again, inhale up. Exhale over sides down. And now one more time up, inhale. And then into a forward fold, exhale, circling the arms. Straight arms up again. All the way up. And exhale, just circling down. Okay, 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Knees are bent. Inhale, straight arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down in the forward fold. Inhale up. Exhale. And last time, straight arms up. Exhale down, forward fold. And then staying here, just lifting the chest on inhale. Exhale, deepening the forward fold. Inhale, lifting the chest. Exhale, deepening. Inhale, chest. Exhale, deepen. Inhale, chest. Exhale, deepen, good. And now circling the arms up, inhale, coming all the way up. Palms touch overhead, seeing the hands, exhale, hands to heart. Short rest. All right, the very same thing. Just one leg strides back and then we come up, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Up on inhale. Down on exhale. Up on inhale. Exhale down, Ujjayi breath. And inhale up. Exhale down into downward facing dog. Just forward into plank pose. Exhale down to the floor or chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing or cobra. Exhale back in downward dog. And then the other leg forward. And inhale, just coming up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up again. And exhale down, downward facing dog. One time forward into plank, exhale down, your variation, inhale up, and exhale child's pose. Short rest. Just warming up the body, flowing with the breath. Okay, next set. Straight arms bring us up into a kneeling position. Inhale. Exhale back down to child's pose. Inhale forward, cobra pose. Exhale, stay. And inhale, stay and lift. Exhale back, child's pose. Few rounds like this. Inhale, straight arms up. Exhale back down. Inhale forwards. Cobra. Exhale, stay. Engaging the belly. Inhale, lifting the chest. Exhale back to child's pose. Let's do one more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale forward. Exhale, stay, belly. Inhale, chest lifts. And exhale back into child's pose. Inhale up, the arms up. And just exhaling, hands to heart. Short rest here. Feeling the heartbeat. Very good. Okay, and then into a supine position, so coming onto our backs. We hold the knees here. And then inhale, straight legs up, straight arms overhead. Exhale, back knees come into the chest. Pushing the air out. Inhale, straight legs, straight arms. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Move with intention, breathe with intention. Exhale. And inhale. Okay, and exhale. Now the feet on the floor in shoulder bridge. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, just the hips lift up, chest expands, arms overhead. Exhale back down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Good. One last time up to stay. Staying here, exhale, engaging strength through the belly. Inhale, chest lifts. Exhale, Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha. Inhale, chest lifts. Exhale, strength. Two more times. Inhale, chest. Exhale, belly. Inhale, chest lift. And exhale, rolling down. Holding the knees. And relax. Good. Feet to the ground, a bit wider apart, and then we can do this windshield wiper movement. So just one knee comes inside and the other one follows the movement. And then exhale the other side. And a few times like this. Very nice. Just rolling through the hips, rolling over the glutes. Good. Okay, we are coming up to the 10-minute mark, so you can either continue here or choose your variation of Shavasana to rest for a couple of minutes or so, just to integrate this short but very sweet little practice. Thank you so much for tuning in with me, and I'm looking forward to more. Have a really beautiful, beautiful day.